I am Sajal, and that's my family.
I am Ali, the grandfather.
I am Nadia, the grandmother.
I am Hassan, father.
I am Mila, the mother.
I am Ahmed, the uncle.
I am Uzma, Sajal's aunt.
I am Anusha, the sister.
I am Saban, the cousin.
I am Nazi, the cousin.
Is Ahmed and family coming?
Shortly, the dinner seems to be ready too.
The dinner is ready.
Smells great.
Come out of the bathroom. Dinner is ready.
Okay, coming.
Where are the kids?
They are walking behind.
Let's be quick. Because I am really hungry.
Let's go. Time for dinner.
Waiting for Ahmed and all to arrive.
I think they are here.
Yes, finally.
Hello.
One.
We are here.
Hello. Looks like there is yummy food.
So everyone is here. But where is Sajal?
I'm here. And that is my family. We all eat together.